Good afternoon. This is JP Billones. Whenever people hear my last name, they always ask, "Are you a billionaire?" My answer to that is, not yet. I used to have an above average paying job, but for some reason, I was not able to save money for my future, and worse, I was even drowning in debt. However, there were other people who didn't seem to have any problems with it. So I asked myself, what are these people doing that I'm not? That question led me to become a personal finance and investment literacy advocate. I help Filipinos appreciate the value of saving and investing in order to achieve their financial goals. Now, I'm the Business Development Associate of First Metro Securities, the stock brokerage arm of Philippines' best managed bank, Metro Bank. The best runs in the family because FirstMetroSec was awarded by Finance Asia to be Philippines' back-to-back best broker for 2017 and 2018, International Finance Best Online Broker and Best Online Trading Platform. We do our best to empower individuals and institutions to attain their financial goals. As a supplement to our on-site market education efforts, I'd like to welcome you all to our webinar. In this month of love, I'll share with you a love that can last a lifetime. Everything you need to know about Pag-IBIG's MP2 program. Love can come in many shapes and forms, but for most of it, we receive from others, from those who matter the most, and from those who grow with us, like you, our valued clients. But like most aspects of life, we can't give to others what we don't have. So it's also important to love ourselves. We take care of ourselves by making healthy life choices. Simple things like what we consume, how much money we save for our future, what we invest in, and who we spend most of our time with. Self love is a lifelong process, but human beings by nature are social species, so we don't have to go through life alone. We invest in relationships that help us grow into better individuals. The search for one's true love has eluded many, but we march on and keep trying until we find our love forever. Especially in this day and age, many would ask, how do you find your one true love? I myself don't know. But do you know there's actually a kind of love that will last you a lifetime? The long search is finally over. But before anything else, let's talk about what we're familiar with. I'm referring to Pag-IBIG Fund's regular savings program. This is where our mandatory monthly contributions go. If you're earning more than 5,000 pesos in a month, you contribute 100 pesos per month. Here's a fun fact. Our employer has generously been giving an equal counterpart to our account. You can voluntarily increase your monthly contribution, but our employer's counterpart is currently maxed at 100 pesos per month. This earns annual dividends and accumulates with time, but you can only withdraw upon membership maturity, which is after 20 years of active contribution or by retirement at age 65. Because of this, some people ask, is there another option with a shorter time horizon? Yes, there actually is. And that is where, and that's what we're going to discuss today. In this webinar, we're going to talk about how to earn more from our Pag-IBIG contributions, how to earn dividend income from preferred shares, and how to build a yearly passive income stream. If you want to save more and earn higher dividends than your existing Pag-IBIG regular savings program, you might want to consider the modified Pag-IBIG 2 savings program, or commonly called MP2. And I'll share with you today why this is a kind of love that will last you a lifetime. First, let's explore what kind of love MP2 can give us. This kind of love won't leave you hanging and will never let you go. Pag-IBIG MP2 is safe since it is guaranteed by the Philippine government, so risk is relatively low. It is also stable as it provides you with yearly dividends. The dividends you earn come from no less than 70% of Pag-IBIG Fund's annual net income, which they earn by investing in at least 70% house financing, short-term loan programs, government securities, corporate bonds, and time deposits. This kind of love is a two-way traffic, not a one-way boulevard. When we give our heart out, there's always give and take, something more and nothing less. Pag-IBIG MP2 gives back a return on your savings, which is considerably attractive compared to other similar alternatives. And here's the best part, you even get to keep all your dividend earnings unconditionally. Since this is tax free, let me repeat that, it's tax free. By now, you might be itching to ask, how well has MP2 performed so far? This is the historical annual dividend rates given by Pag-IBIG MP2 from 2015 to 2018. As you can see, dividend rates are not fixed and is by nature dependent on Pag-IBIG Fund's performance. Please be reminded though that past performance is not indicative of future results. This begs the question, when can you receive your dividend earnings? You have two options. First is a yearly payout, which will be credited to your Pag-IBIG accredited bank savings or checking account. This option is great for retirees or those who are already close to retirement. Second is upon the 5-year maturity, where your annual dividend earnings are accumulated and compounded in your MP2 account. This option is best for those who are still years away from retirement, such as young professionals and those at the peak of their careers. Later, I'll show you how to set up your MP2 account so you can take advantage of compounding at the same time, get a yearly payout. This kind of love never asks for something that we cannot give. It also knows that exerting a little bit more effort each time means so much. Pag-IBIG MP2 is very reasonable and encouraging, as you only need at least 500 pesos for either initial and subsequent savings contributions. There's even no limit to how much we can save into our MP2 account. Of course, we all want a love that we can fully trust, something that needs no daily checkups and doubts. MP2 is undemanding since you can save and contribute one time, monthly, or whenever you can. It is also very accommodating as you can open multiple MP2 accounts. This is actually what will enable us to create a passive income stream which can last a lifetime. I'll teach this in a bit, but let me first share with you a kind of stock that can also provide you dividend income. These are your preferred shares. These pay fixed dividends and usually give higher yield compared to common stocks. Since these stocks are traded in the market, the price of the preferred stock may fluctuate, which consequently changes the dividend yield given to the investor. When the market price increases, the investor can consider to sell the preferred stock and book profits on the capital gains. When the market price decreases, the investor can consider to buy the preferred stock and earn higher dividends while holding on to it. However, the price movement is not as volatile as in common stocks, since these are traded less frequently and usually held by investors because of the dividend earnings. Here's a quick recap of what we've discussed so far. Dividends earned from MP2 come mostly from interest income of house financing and fixed income instruments. You can receive this either on a yearly payout arrangement or accumulated to compound with your savings until the 5-year maturity. Dividends from preferred shares are from the earnings of the specific corporation. You can receive this semi-annually or quarterly. Preferred stocks are also tradable in the market, so you can liquidate anytime. For MP2 account opening, you may visit the nearest Pag-IBIG branch in your respective areas. But if you're looking to diversify in preferred stocks, we've got you covered. One account for all your investment needs. You can gain access to your portfolio using your desktop, laptop, tablets, and even your mobile phones. Now, you can easily trade online, anywhere, and anytime using FirstMetroSec Go, the most advanced mobile trading app in the country. All these features and convenience within your reach by opening your own FirstMetroSec account in 3 easy steps, all online. First, visit our website www.firstmetrosec.com.ph and click on Open an Account. Second, complete the online form with your username, password, and basic account information. Third, upload your required documents online. And you're done. No need for personal appearance and printed documents. Easy, right? Now, let's get back to our Pag-IBIG MP2 discussion. Some people may find the 5-year maturity to be too long. They want to take advantage of the power of compounding, but at the same time want to have a yearly dividend payout. So, how do you exactly build a yearly passive income stream using Pag-IBIG MP2? We're going to take advantage of the fact that we can open multiple MP2 accounts and apply the laddering technique. This is how you set it up. First, you'll have to open an MP2 account on year 1. In order to maximize the potential earnings on this, make sure to choose the compounded savings option and save up on it as much as you can. On year 2, instead of continuing to contribute on your first MP2 account, you will open another account and save up on this again as much as you can. You then do the same thing again on year 3, year 4, and year 5. I know what you're thinking. This takes some time, but just focus on the goal and just be patient. The yearly passive income stream will start kicking off after this stage. On the 6th year, your first MP2 account will already mature. Both your compounded savings and dividends will be credited back to you. This will be your first passive income after 5 years, and you'll thank yourself for starting then. Now, you can reapply for a new MP2 account to put back your savings in, save some more, and reap dividends again after maturity. On the 7th year, your second MP2 account will also mature, and you execute the same strategy applied the previous year. Reapply for a new MP2 account, put back your savings in, save some more, and reap dividends again after maturity. At this point, you just rinse and repeat. Now, you've set up your own MP2 savings where one account will mature each year and provide you passive dividend earnings. Congratulations! All the hard work is done. You just built yourself a yearly passive income stream using Pag-IBIG MP2. As I told you since the beginning, this kind of love will highly likely last you a lifetime. In this season of love, let me leave you with this excerpt. We're all just merely passing through, doing what we can do in a lifetime. We have more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make in our lifetime. As for me, there's only one dream, and that's to love you, our valued clients, with a love to last a lifetime. And with that, I'd like to greet you all. Advance Happy Valentine's Day.